Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a text plus image post to LinkedIn. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the linkedin.com. If you are not already signed in, you will need to sign in. Either you are using your Google, Microsoft or any other account. And now when you are here, it's time to create a new post. You can see this option here, start a post. You have to tap on it. Now here you have to enter your text, whatever you want to post, and after entering the text you can see these options here. You can add your video, you can add your photo, or you can add your document as well. If you tap on this plus option, you can add your PDF as well. So in this case we are adding photo with text. Just tap on this photo, select your photo, and then simply tap on this post, and that's pretty much it. That's how to add a text plus image post to LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.